Hello everyone, we are solving another problem, that is Python problem 2. It is a basic question. From basic we will go to advanced. Here we have a list, and the list consists of some numbers. Here the main program is to do is we should swap two elements, that is first and the last element from the list. So we have some of the methods. So I'm going to solve this solution, and I'm going to give a solution about this, and you try about your own solution. If you got any other solution, please drop your program in comment. Let's go to the solution. uh, as you mentioned that it is the input, so as this I am taking this input to the compiler. I'm interchanging my names. I don't want to use any capital, or I don't want to use any, just I will take that A as list. So this is A as a list containing some elements, that 12, 35, 9, 56, 24. So just we need to swap some elements here. That means here we need to snap first and the last position, right? We are swapping. We will write a comment here. We are swapping first and last element. So for this, we have shortcut and simple way in Python. That is, just interchange the elements by using the index. List has some. We can use here some indexes, right? We can use indexes to swap the elements. Okay. Suppose one of the major example I'm showing you how to use in within a one line code, that is I am taking that a of I. We can take that a of I. We can't take that, it is a indexes. So a of that we can take 0. Not, we are not running in loop, right? A of 0. Okay, wait. Numlock is off. A of 0, comma, a of minus 1. What does it mean here, minus 1? First of all, we know a of 0 means we can say that at the indexes start from 0th position, so a of 0 is nothing but 12. What is this a of minus 1? So we have some negative indexes in a list. That is, wait, I'll show you some of the examples. This is one of the major example. Here see, just don't look the word, it is a elements in the list. Just look at the indexes. So the starting position of the index is minus 0. Sorry, 0. It starts from 0. And we are slicing from minus 1. See, here the first position is minus 1. Like so on, it's continuing up to nth position of minus. Okay. So we are directly solving the solution by using the indexes. So next, we are interchanging the elements a of 0 to a of minus 1. Here, elements are directly swapped, comma, I am changing a of minus 1 position to a of 0. A of 0, right? Just print a. Directly we will get the answer. See here, we have given an input that 12, 35, 9, 56, 24. But we have got the answer that 24, 35, 9, 56, 12. So here we have just swapped the first and last element. So the other way of trying the solution in a simple way is, I'm showing you the second method. So I have mentioned you that we are using slicing operator right here. What is this slicing mean? We have start, middle, and step index. So by using these also we can write a program. I will let you know. First, I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm first of all I'm making it as a comment. Okay. Then I am what I'm doing here is, now I'm separating all the elements, like 12th is an, I'm 12 directly accessing to the A, comma, star B means the middle elements all whatever the middle 35, 9, 56 that all present here is that all come under star B, middle elements all. Then C is equal to I'm giving A1 or else don't need to mention anything. Simply you give like this. Okay, A1. Now see I will show you what is happening here. Now I'm printing star B element. What is star B? Let us see what are the elements it is going to print. Trash error. A1 is not defined. Sorry. Here I am going to define A1. It is giving me that 35, 9, 56 are the middle elements. Okay. Now directly within a step I am going to change the solution. A1 is equal to see look at this properly. I am bringing the element without using any index, right? Last index C and middle elements are star B. We have divided, right? And comma we are placing the A as this. Let us print now. Print A1. We will get the solution. See, look at the solution. What we have got. So finally, we have swapped the first and the last elements. This is the way where we can swap the elements in a short form. We can use functions to solve the solutions, but we are in a basic stage, so I'm not going in depth.